Alright, so I was having a discussion with one of my friends from university. He is in a creative job, kind of the same as me. He does photography. I am doing it with my company, doing videography, photography, graphic design, all of that sort of thing. Now, we were discussing the point of upgrading your camera and when to do it, etc., and the pros and cons of several different types of cameras, and it came down to the debate of Sony versus Canon, that being the EOS R versus the A7 line, and more recently the A7 Mark IV. Now, the things we were talking about was 4K cropped versus 4K full frame, and bitrate and frames per second, etc. Also the overall colour profiles and what had the easiest use for editing in post. I then went on to think about this in my own time, in my own head. Does 4K matter? Is it necessary in today's content creation to have 4K footage? Can you get away with a lower resolution such as 1080p scaled up, and is there a marked difference in the quality? So while I was thinking about this, I decided to go out and shoot different resolutions, and now I'm going to put them side by side. I won't put which one's which initially, and you can see if you can guess which one is the upscaled footage into a 4K project file and which one is the native 4K sizing. If you can guess, put it down in the comments below, 1 or 2, and your reasons why you thought which one was which. I really want to kind of start a conversation about this and see your guys' reactions and what you guys think overall. The only camera I had at the time that shot 4K when I was shooting this was my GoPro, so therefore it is a very wide angle lens, so try and not let that put you off of the main focus, which is the resolution overall, and the quality of image for the upscaling versus the native. So here's the first one. And here is the second one. Here they are side by side, and the 4K native is on the left and the 4K upscale or 1080p upscale is on the right. Did you get it right? Let me know down in the comments. If you did, well done. I wanted to add my little 2 cents thoughts to this, and that was, if you are getting into content creation, if you're uploading to YouTube, you can get away pretty well scot-free uploading in a 4K file format, even if you are shooting just HD quality footage and upscaling. Now, this is because YouTube heavily compress HD footage. They allow a higher bitrate for 4K, so therefore you're getting a little more information out of that 1080p footage because it's in the 4K format. You're kind of cheating the YouTube system overall in that sense. If you are doing client work, much like myself and my friend, I would recommend having 4K just so that you have the option if a client requests it, so that you're not constantly going out if you get a run of 4 or 5 clients that want 4K footage. You're not running out and hiring a camera that is capable of that every single time. Yes, shooting 4K all the time, even when you're delivering 1080p HD footage, then you've got a little more scope for editing techniques and overall information in the image itself. So there's all that to kind of keep in mind with it. But yeah, like I say, hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a like rating. If you have any of your sort of thoughts, to let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to see more of the type of things that I put up, the likes of travel videos, tutorials, videos like this, and shorter films, then please consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. Until next time guys, as always, keep it real, hunt that thrill, peace.